Today's job is fixing this horrible throttle slop on the Thruxton R. Horrible stuff. Okay, let's take a detailed look at what this throttle slop is all about. So taking the throttle now, I've taken it apart. It's disassembled as you've seen in other people's videos. But now we just look at the throttle. There's the slop. Look. It's that play there. And that's where these spacers come in, just to take up that little gap. So we'll fit them now and hopefully resolve that sloppiness. Okay, 10 minutes later and they're actually on. The small one here was very easy to fit, but the other one, the large one, was a bit of a pain. You have to pull the throttle open like this. Then you have to pull this back as far as you can. Meanwhile, try and get a screwdriver in and maybe hold the other lug down so you get a free play in here to get this little bugger on. And anyway, it's on. Bit of faffing around, but you know, it's looking okay. So now looking at the complete assembly, you know, there's no slop between the components in here now. So we'll button it up and give it a go. I'm sure it'll be good. Brilliant. Okay, and the final test, less than 30 minutes to do the job actually, so it's really quite a simple job. So now we look at the throttle. Absolutely no slop whatsoever. It's like a BMW, dare I say. Perfect. Simple job, massive results.